Hello everyone. In this video we are going to explore the hair growth journey of Mr. Ahmad Belvin, aka Benny Harlem. As you can see in these photos, Benny Harlem's box was just yay high in the year 2010, where he had aspirations of becoming a music artist. Back in 2010, Benny Harlem's box was just a normal size, and his hair texture was very common among black people. Jackson Harlem, Mr. Harlem's daughter, can be seen in both of these photos. Here's another photo of the Harlem family. As you can see, we have observed 3 different textures so far on Little Miss Harlem. Her mother can be seen in this photo rocking a pretty average sized afro. It is unclear when Mr. Benny Harlem started his Guinness record journey. However, you can see his natural hair and texture in this photo. Now here's where it gets ghetto. Look at his hair. The year of this photo is unclear, but you can clearly see a difference. Here are his photos from the Guinness Book of World Records photo shoot done in 2017. You can clearly see a difference in his texture and his hairline. Here's a photo Benny Harlem posted to his Instagram with a Steve Harvey special. His hairline and texture are obviously different from previous photos. Next, we are going to explore his blowout photos. In blowout photos, he appears to have a full head of hair versus just having a box. So which one is it? Sidebar, come through, dick print. Now let's explore these French braids. They are absolutely synthetic. His daughter's hair texture varies from photo to photo. The hump in her crown area is a clear indication that this young lady is wearing a hairpiece. It is unclear when this photo was taken, but her hair appears to be longer than what it is now. Observe a difference in the thickness of the front of her hair versus the back. Observe the parting area on his scalp. It is extremely reminiscent of a lace wig or a lace closure. From a cosmetologist standpoint, and from the photos that I have seen of him and her, this is definitely synthetic hair. After briefly reviewing his photos, drop down in the comments and let me know what you think.
Distribute a bunch of hair. It's not too much or too little. First, place the hair into the slot. Then press the handle to the end. Fifth, toggle the button to remove the hair. Last, break off the plastic tip. Oh, it's okay?
Okay.